Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to paint this beautiful painting together. I'll put the reference pic so you can see what's the idea and how I made it in my style. We are going to use himi gouache paint. As you know, gouache can be both diverted between opaque and transparent, and I'm using them in both ways. So without further ado, let's paint. We all know gouache paintings are a bit transparent when we put too much water in it. So we gotta layer by layer add the color and build up the pigment we want. As you can see, this is the second layer of my painting, and then later on I will add the final layer and the detailings. Keep watching. I'm currently working on the second layer of the trees, which is a middle part green. It's neither too dark or too light, and later I will add the detailings. As you can see how the shadow and the main leaves are featuring in this process. This is the highlighted part of the mossy wall, and I'm currently adding the highlight. Later I'll add some more highlight and more dark, mainly black, to create the realistic effect in it. As you can see, I'm just dabbing the brush. It's more like a dry brush technique where we took not so much wet paint, almost like dry paint in a dry brush on the dry page, so it will looks like lots of little spots, and they look amazing together later on. It will look just like a mossy effect when there's water on moss, or those little moss rows that grows in the wall or the vines. So here we are putting the third layer of the orangey stone to the roof, and later we will add another dark layer. For the flowers in the grass, I first added a layer of black, more like small dots, and a little small stem. Then I have painted the stem with neon green, and then I'm adding the flowers its own color and some highlight now, so it'll look more a little bit of realistic. The black canvas or the black background will give it more depth, and the white highlight will make it look realistic, as the same goes for the stem. Now it's the time for the final layer of the roof. We have already added like 3 layers of yellow and orange. Then I have added some white highlight in the middle part, and then I have bordered it with a fine liner pen and bordering with the brown. I decided to change the pathway a little bit and added a gate, so I'll be doing a black layer first for the gate, because of course it's made of wood, and then I'll do the brown of the wood and some highlight. So let's see. small detailing like small plant pots and small shrubs. There will be lots of green highlight, neon green highlight, yellow highlight, and to be honest, I am really suck at doing highlight, but this brush is like heaven. It's the Brushstroke Velvet Touch 01 in the round variant, and it does the magic. Trust me, guys. Just buy this one brush for the fine lining or small details and you're good to go. Like, I am a amateur artist, but I love it so much. I did a little bit struggle with the roof, but I like how it turned out now with all those colors, all those highlight, all those washes of colors and dark colors. And here we are, the finally completed picture. I don't know, you say, how did it turn out? And of course I know that yours will be great too. To be honest, this is my first time using himi gouache. I was a little bit confused at first because I'm a watercolor girl and figuring it out would be a little bit of imbalanced or whatever, but to be honest, it turned out great. I like how the highlight and the light shades are like literally glowing and just radiating our picture. So guys, did you like my video? If you did, please subscribe, share, comment down below what part did you like the most or what kind of video you guys like to watch. I'd be really happy to make them for you, and please subscribe. It's just a little contribution that you can do. Here are some nice little clips for the painting. So it's time for me to say goodbye. See you next time. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye.